G'day, Scruff here. Thanks for dropping by. Just going to run a short little video on how tough and rough Mother Nature can be. I'm zoomed in here. That's not a koala you see there. That's a termite's nest and an Aussie icon hardwood TALLOWOOD. That was hit by lightning 6 years ago. Even the toughest of hardwoods in Australia don't stand up to a few million volts. Within a couple of weeks, every leaf was brown. It totally killed the whole tree, not just parts of it. Aussie TALLOWOOD, 6 years ago. Just somewhere for the parrots to nest now. If I can pan around without tripping over, that'd be funny for some. This here is a ghost gum. Usually grows in the arid parts of Australia. We planted that here in 1980. 15th of August 2023, a hailstorm comes through here for about 15 or 20 minutes and just decimated it. Stripped every leaf off it, and I don't think it's going to survive. The hail was only as big as peas. Stripped all the stone off the roof that was put on the house in 1978, what they call a Girard dichromatic roof. That's how tough Mother Nature can be. Well, that's about all I've got for you today. Till we meet again, just keep it real and tell it how it is, eh? Thank you.